Welcome everyone to use Audio Magic Eraser in Pixel 8 Pro. The first step is you will need to open the Play Store and the Google Photos app must be on the latest version. If it's not, tap on the update and patiently wait for the update to finish. Now we will open Google Photos and we're going to select a video we want to use the Audio Magic Eraser for. Tap on the video and then tap on the edit button, and then you're going to locate audio and then audio eraser. From here we're going to tap on OK. It's going to identify the sounds, and if we tap on auto it will give you the best results. If we tap on speech, we can lower or increase the speech sounds. If there was a dog barking, you'd be able to tap on that and lower or increase those sounds. So I'll just lower the speech and I'll save like this. And it's going to go through, it's going to run the changes, and the video has been saved. So what this has done is it's lowered the speech sounds. If there were car noise sounds, you'd be able to lower those or eliminate them. But as there's only speaking, there was only one option to change. With that being said, if you would like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye bye.